feel some type of way. Jazz, what's wrong with you?
I'm shaded.
T, she just threw up. What's wrong?
I feel like you got money.
No, I don't.
Yo, yes you do.
No, I...
Look, first of all...
No, we're gonna talk together
First
because...
of all, Sarah, we told you that Jazz don't got it, and like, you should have held her down.
She left her money at home.
It's just corny, Sarah. If you feel
I paid Jazz. I don't.
If you feel some type of
I
way
don't
about
want to
me,
be this
Sarah,
way about you.
tell me. I'm just telling
I
you.
would.
Because you want to
I don't understand why you're getting angry.
I'm gonna touch you.
Wait, what?
I'm definitely instigating the fight right now because Sarah's been asking for drama. Sarah's been running her mouth since we walked in the door, and I'm not regretting it.
I told you from the beginning I like you. If I don't like you, I'd be like,
no, you're
okay.
fake.
Bitch, I'm not fake.
But you want to be nice because maybe you don't want to get your
No, because I'm a nice person all the time. You can like Google me. You can research anything. I'm a nice person to everybody.
Google me, baby.
You can ask all
baby.
them.
I don't want to
I'm nice to everybody. Get out my face.
You can't
short time, bitch. Don't smack me in the face.
So what happened?
So what happened? I already told you what happened.